Hey guys, it's your girl Carmise. Welcome back to my channel. Alright you guys, it is currently 11:56 in the morning. It's around lunchtime and I'm here at McDonald's. I accepted an order going for $7, 2.4 miles. My customer wants 3 items: french fries, quarter pounder with cheese, and then another quarter pounder with cheese. My pickup time is literally in 2 minutes, you guys, so I'm about to go in there, see if my order is ready. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure you guys turn your post notifications to notify every single time your girl put her videos. Nine 964. Thank you. This bag is so cute, y'all, and tiny. Alright you guys, my order was already ready, as you guys saw. Let's see if it's a contact or contactless delivery. Alright you guys, got my order right here. This is a contactless delivery. This said leave in front of garage door, not front door please. But anyways you guys, I'm heading over to my customer. They are 6 minutes away with a little bit of traffic, so they're probably closer than that. Alright, I think that guy right next to me is a Dasher as well. Could have sworn, I could have sworn I seen him with the same thing. Unless it could have been Uber Eats or DoorDash. Anyways you guys, heading over to my customer. I'll see you guys once I get there. Alright you guys, I just made it to my customer's house. I am parked on the side. There's a whole bunch of like trucks and stuff in their driveway. But okay, I don't know if I should leave the food by the door like they said. By the garage door, not the front door. I'll see, because there's these big trucks like all up in the garage, like blocking the garage. So I'll be back. I'll leave it by the garage. Alright you guys, I'm here at Chili's. I accepted an order going for $9.50 at 3.9 miles. My customer wants 3 items: bacon ranch chicken quesadillas, crispy cheddar bites, and a bowl of soup. My pickup time is in 2 minutes, so I'm about to go in there to see if it's on the pickup shelf or if it's still working on it.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. I'm picking up for Ryan M.
Did you check the shelf?
Yeah.
DoorDash?
Yeah. Oh, thank you. I'm weak, child. How did I miss it the first time? Yo, she said, did you check the shelf? I'm like, yeah. And how did I miss it the first time? I'm weak as hell. Alright, you guys, I have my order. It was already ready by the pickup time. When I first looked, I didn't see it. So the lady was like, did you look at the pickup shelf? And I'm like, yeah, I did. But I didn't look closely, I guess. You know what I'm saying? I didn't look closely. And I didn't realize they had drinks either. So, yeah. Either way, the order was already ready. Next time I will look more closely. Alright, you guys, so this is a contactless delivery that said knock on the door. So I'm going to knock on the door. And yeah, I am 9 minutes away from my customer. This is a contactless delivery. I'll see you guys once I get there. Alright, you guys, I just made it to my customer's house. I am parked on the side. I'm about to leave the items on the steps and then take a picture and then not ring the bell, but knock on the door. These cup holders are so freaking flimsy. Alright, you guys, the customer grabbed their food. Oh, they gave me an extra tip. Okay. Extra $1.50. So that order is $11. And yeah. Alright, you guys, I am back at Chili's. I have 2 orders to do, okay? So the first order, I accepted it for $9, 4.9 miles. And my customer wants 3 items: crispy honey chipotle chicken crispers, sides, and another crispy honey chipotle chicken crispers. So that's for the first customer. And then I got an additional order going for $8, 814.7 yards total. My customer wants 3 items: molten chocolate cake, Texas cheese fries full, and bacon ranch chicken quesadillas. My pickup time is in 1 minute for my first customer, and then for my second customer it's in 2 minutes. So they're ready around the same time, you feel me? No drinks this time, so that is good, but I'm just gonna see if they're up at the pickup shelf. I'm gonna start after arrival for this one, confirm at the store for the second one. Alright, so I have 2 names, Helena and Taylor. So I'm about to go in there and find those names on the pickup shelf. And yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, I see both of them, Helena and Taylor. All right, you guys, I have both orders right here. I just hit myself. Okay. Oh, thank you. Thank you. The wind closed the door for me. So I have both orders right here, which is absolutely amazing. They were both ready by the pickup time. All right, you guys, so I'm heading over to my first customer. They are 6 minutes away. 6 minutes. And then I'm gonna head to my second customer afterwards. All right, you guys, I just made it to my first customer's house. I'm parked on the side because there's mad snow on their driveway still, so I'm about to leave the items on the steps, take a picture, and then ring the bell. This is a contactless delivery. This car's coming. Alright, you guys, I'm heading over to my second customer. They're only 2 minutes away. This is fantastic. Fantastic, y'all. I'm going to be there like 10 minutes before my delivery time, so that's really good. It's really good, you guys. Now I would say I'm 1 minute away, so they weren't far from each other at all. You guys, like, they're literally not far from each other, just like a minute away from each other. All right, you guys, I'm here at my second customer's house. I'm about to do the same thing. I'm about to leave the items on the steps, take a picture, and then ring the bell. Alright, I'm not going to ring the bell because the dogs are barking. See, that's why I didn't ring the bell. The guy came right out. As I was taking the picture, he came out. I'm about to confirm the delivery. Because once the dogs start barking, that notifies the customer that somebody's at the door. So yeah, I didn't ring the bell. He came right out. So here, you guys, that order was easy peasy. Once I get my next order, I'll be right back. All right, you guys, it was dead for like 45 minutes. Not dead, but I just kept getting shitty ass orders. Y'all know how that go. But you guys, I'm back here at Chili's. I got an order at It's Just Wings going for $7, 2 miles. My customer wants 1 item, 22 boneless wings. Okay, my pickup time is literally in 1 minute, so I'm about to go over there and see if my order's on the shelf, the pickup shelf, and yeah. All right, you guys, as you guys can see, my order was right at the pickup shelf, which is really good. Let's see if this is a contact or contactless delivery. All right, you guys, got my order right here. All right, so this is the contactless delivery that said, please do not ring the doorbell, just leave it on the front porch. My customer is 6 minutes away, and yeah, you guys. Alright, you guys, I just made it to McDonald's. It took me like 5 minutes or so to get here. I accepted an order going for $7, 3.9 miles, and my customer wants 2 items, a M&M McFlurry and a Big Mac meal. Okay, my pickup time is in 4 minutes, so I'm about to just head right on in there to see if my order is ready. And yeah. Six 5225 55. Thank you. You too. All right, you guys, my order was already ready by the pickup time. Y'all, this is the contactless delivery, and they said apartment B, look for side deck with B on the door. So when I originally set this order, I thought it was just one house, and it looks like it is just one house. So when I pull up there, I'm just gonna look for B, the letter B on the door. And yeah. All right, you guys, I just made it to my customer's house, and I do see the door with the B on it. I'm dead. She just waved at me. Okay, I'm gonna give it to her.
Slippery day out here.
Yes, it is.
I did put the melt on too, but man, I did not. I slipped in black ice and broke my shoulder.
What? Are you okay?
Oh, I had 2 brain surgeries because I had seizures, and then 9 months later, I slipped at the grocery store, broke 3 pieces.
Oh my gosh.
It didn't go well. Then I was supposed to have a second surgery. We got COVID. It was like, oh my god. So yeah.
Are you feeling better?
3 pieces, and I had to do 2. First, he put in a metal plate and 8 pins. Did not work because I wasn't strong after my brain surgeries and seizures. So we had to do another one, and I was going to go in March 17th, right when it got bad here, and they canceled it, and I had to wait till June.
Oh my god.
So I'm like, oh my god. So, but anytime they say black ice, I'm like, I'm not going out. I was standing by my car with my girlfriend at the grocery store, and she looked over at me and just,
oh my god.
and I'm left-handed, so I'm like, I don't go out at all if there's anything. I mean, I was standing there and fell. I don't know how the heck that happened. So have a good day.
You too.
Yeah, just hold on to it.
Thank you.
That would be good.
Okay. You too. Enjoy. Oh, child, she talked too much. Y'all, my shop's going on a whole rant, but damn, she fell on black ice and broke her shoulders. All right, I'm gonna click this, hand it directly to the customer, because that's what I did. All right, you guys, I can't believe that. And she has seizures and all that. Oh my gosh. What? How you? Oh my gosh. I fell on black ice before, but never like did I break, you know, my bones. You know what I'm saying? I almost broke my fucking arm though. I felt like, damn bitch, you broke your arm. Like, but I was good, you know what I'm saying? That shit hurt though. That shit hurt bad. But in the moment, I didn't feel nothing because I was like so in shock that I fell down the stairs. So like, and I'm thinking the stairs are wet. But no, baby, that stairs was ice. It was ice, and I fucking slipped and damn near broke my arm. But for her to break her shoulders, 3 bones in her shoulders, oh my gosh, and she couldn't get surgery or her second surgery because of COVID, that's crazy. But now she don't go out whenever you know, it's snowing and stuff like that, which is understandable because like, damn, that's traumatic to like break your whole shoulder bone. Like, what? In the whole parking lot too, in a parking lot on top of that, that's, oh my gosh. But it looks like she's okay, but yeah. Alright, you guys, I am freaking back at Chili's for like my 4th time now. I accepted an order at It's Just Wings going for $7, 2.8 miles. My customer wants 2 items, Oreo County Fair cookie and 11 boneless wings. My pickup time is in 2 minutes, you guys, so I'm about to go in there to see if my order is at the pickup shelf. And yeah. Alright, you guys, I don't be knowing when they had drinks, son, until like you see the full details of the order, then you know if they got a drink or not. I wish they'd tell you that before. Alright, you guys, my order was all ready by the pickup time, a minute before the pickup time at that. Why is it so hard to put these bags in here? Alright, I'm about to head over to my customer, you guys. This is the contactless delivery, and they are 7 minutes away. Alright, you guys, I am here. Oh, look at the dog! He's so cute! Hi, buddy! Are you coming to greet me? Yo, that dog. He is too cute. Hi, buddy. Are you coming to greet me? Oh, this dog is so cute, y'all. Oh, hi, buddy. Come here. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Oh, he's so cute. Come on. Come on. Shit. This nigga's trying to get the food, y'all. Hey, watch out. Watch out. It's okay. Yeah.
Mula, stop.
No problem.
Mula, when you drive, he's not gonna go.
Huh?
He has an electric car, so when you drive.
I am dead as hell. Yo. That was the cutest thing. I need me a dog. That was the cutest thing ever, but she literally said that he's not gonna leave until I went back to my car. Like, literally. Yo, my guy, yo, that was like the cutest. That's like the best delivery I have ever done. Like, I am so obsessed with dogs. It's not even funny. Bro, that was hilarious. She was like, he's not gonna leave until you go to your car, but I didn't understand what she mad. I was like, I picked him up. Like, should I bring him to you? Like, what is this? Should I bring him to you? And then she was like, oh, you can leave him down. He's not gonna leave until you get into your car. And he literally did not leave until I got into my car. I thought he was gonna attack me, but no, he was just, I don't know what he was doing. That's hilarious.